Guys, I just got approved for a Citi AAdvantage Platinum credit card for $23,600 with my CPN. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. First thing is you need to have one or two primary trade lines. Authorized user trade lines won't work if you are trying to get a much higher credit limit. Before I applied for this credit card, I got approved for $1,500, but I closed that card and gave the same card another try after I got a revolving primary trade line reported recently to all three credit bureaus and got approved for this high limit. Important thing to mention, you need to have good length of credit history. What the primary trade line does is add years of credit history to your credit report. Since this revolving primary trade line I purchased was an open account with low utilization, it reflected that when I applied, and that is how I got approved for this credit card for $23,600. To get to the point, how to get approved for a high limit credit card. Add some revolving primary trade lines and make sure they are above $20,000. Once that reports, go ahead and apply for a credit card, and I can promise you it will be in the tens of thousands. I'll leave a link below to apply for this specific card and also where I got my trade lines from. Again, these are only primaries, not authorized users.